Hello Coder Shots. So in this video we are going to extract MP3 from MP4. So that means we are extracting audio from video. So let's begin. So I have already created this one folder named MP3 from MP4. Now let's our first step would be to create a virtual environment. And as you all know, I'm a big fan of creating virtual environment whenever we create a new project. So here we go. MP3 from MP4 environment. And we will see a folder here, and now we will just activate it. So now it's done. So let's activate that. To do that, we go into that folder, go into script, and then we go for activate. And now you have this activated virtual environment. Now let's name this file as main.py. And now what we need is we just need one library which will help us. So that is movie.py, and we need to install that. So once we install that, it will be a easy process for us. So let's import movie.py. So now that is installed, we are importing movie.py. We are importing movie.py.editor. Now we just need a video path, like where our video will be. So I would recommend, if you have any video to extract video from, you can just have this video here, or you can have this full path where you can paste the path here. So I will just tell. So this is where the path goes. So I will just comment input your full path to the video. So once we have that video, we can just extract audio from that video, and then we just write that audio into, say, let's say test here, test.mp3, and here you have it. So in this case, you will have a test.mp3 in this folder. Now let's take an example, and it will be a fairly quick one. So I have taken one of my video here. It is a video posted on YouTube, and now we will just pass this name here, and let's see if our script works. So now it should have test mp3 in this folder, and let's see. It should have audio file. So now, as you can see, it's processed. Now based on this video, like the video, I don't know if you can hear this, but now we have the same audio. This project which will be used in your, as you can see, we have converted video file to an audio file that easy with Python. So hope you like this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more such content. See y'all.